And welcome back to the Valley Today. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. As we do see University Avenue and I-94, we have mainly cloudy skies, periods of some light snow during the overnight. And as for the temperatures, we will stay mainly steady into the mid to upper teens throughout the entire day. Lots of cloud cover and windy northerly winds causing a little bit of blowing snow, but keeping us pretty cool in terms of wind chill values, not only through the morning, but through the afternoon. Current temperatures across the region, not that bad considering how sometimes when we get blizzards like this, we do have very frigid air behind them. Still into the lower 20s into portions of Lakes Country and most everybody else into the low to mid-teens across the region. Now, as for the winds, still some blowing and drifting snow possible as you make your way from the Red River and points off to the west. Wind speeds right now in some areas sustained at 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 45 miles per hour. Less wind across our Minnesota counties as most of us have a northerly wind around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, as for the wind chill values across the region, prepare for this if you're going out to shovel some snow. We have wind chill values between 5 and 10 below zero for most of us, especially in our North Dakota counties into Minnesota, wind chill values into the single digits. So as for the snow, we have some areas where it is dry, especially from the Grand Forks area, points off to the north and points off to the northeast. Most of Lakes Country is dry as of right now, but we do have one band of moderate to heavy rain that stretching from Ada down toward Barnesville and into the Breckenridge area. Breckenridge actually could be hit with some heavy snow within the next half hour or so. More snow developing just off to the north and to the west of the Fargo area, and light to moderate intensity snow from Valley City, Jamestown, points off to the south toward the South Dakota, and that band stretches all the way up into most of the Devil's Lake Basin right now with some moderate to heavy intensity snow, and the city of Devil's Lake is going to be hit with some heavy snow over the next hour or so. Now, there's the dry air as you make your way into the far northern valley and northwestern Minnesota. This low pressure system now just around the Minneapolis area, still sitting and spinning, so every once in a while a batch of energy will spark off some snow showers or even some heavy snow, and this is going to be the case through most of the morning. As the low works out, we will still have a strong northerly wind because we have a high just off to our west. And this is going to be the case through the afternoon. Eventually that high is going to work its way in here, and we will see the snow start to dissipate and we will start to clear out as we go through not only this evening, but definitely for the day tomorrow. So the weather alerts look like this. Blizzard warning still in effect until 6 a.m. for most of the Northern Valley, Southern Valley until noon out toward the Jamestown area. That's surrounded by a winter weather advisory for most of the counties in our viewing area. The blizzard warning, after it expires, will turn into a winter weather advisory, and we'll be in that winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. today. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Still some heavier bands of snow, especially in our western counties, but as we make our way through the afternoon today, just some light snow possible through this afternoon and into the evening. Cloudy skies, temperatures into the upper teens as it will be windy through the afternoon, but the winds will die down into the overnight tomorrow, when we'll finally lose the cloud cover for your Tuesday. We'll say partly cloudy skies as temperatures will be a little cooler with highs into the mid to upper teens, and we will finally start to dry out. And then we do have another chance of some light snow shower activity for Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, and for the first part of the day on Saturday, but right now it does not look too heavy. So there's your snow working its way out for today. Temperatures staying into the upper teens the next couple of days. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, a high of 27. And those light snow shower chances for the end of the week and the start of next weekend. But temperatures into the mid to upper 20s, which is pretty mild for this time of year. Sunday back to near average. That's 20 degrees and partly cloudy skies.
Okay. Thank you, Justin.
Stick around here on the Valley Today. Coming up next, we're going to get a look at what you can expect when you head out the door. Plus, fire crews are on scene of a building fire from overnight. We'll get more on that coming up on the Valley Today.